Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we learn about waterfall model. The waterfall model was the first process of model to be introduced. It is also referred to as a linear sequential cycle model. It is very simple to understand. This waterfall model. Waterfall model design. Waterfall model approach was the first SDLC model to be used widely in software engineering. Insurance ensures success of the project. The waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into the separate phases. In the waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase acts as input for the next phase. The following illustration is the representation of different phases of waterfall model. Here is first is the requirements analysis. It is the gathering of requirements, then the system design. After getting the requirements, we design the system. Then after designing, we implementation it. Then after implementation, testing, and then deployment to the required person. And the main thing that come is the maintenance. The next is the sequential phases in waterfall model. Requirements gathering and analysis. All possible requirements of the system to be developed are gathering based by documents in the requirement specification document. The second is the system design, system guide, and system design. The requirement specification from the first place and studies in the phase of the system design is prepared. The system design helps in specifying hardware and system requirements and helps in defining the overall system architecture. The third one is implementation, which input from the system design. The system first developed in small programs called units, which are integrated. Next phase, each unit is developed and tested for its functionality, which is referred to as unit testing. The fourth one is the integration and testing. All the units are developed in the implementation phases in small program. Post integration and system, it is tested for any faults and failures. The next one is the maintenance. There are some issues which come up in the client's environment. To fix those issues, patches and release also enhance the produce some better version of release. Maintenance is done by deliver these charges into the customer requirements. All the phases are cascaded to each other, which program is seen as the following steadily downward, like waterfall through the phases. The next phase is to start after the define to set a goal achieved for previous phase, and it is signed off. The waterfall model in the phase do not overlap. Waterfall model application. Every software developed in different or requirement suitable SDLC approach to be followed based on the internal and the external factors. Some situations where use of waterfall model is the most appropriate or requirements are very well documented, clear and fixed, product definition is stable, technology is understood and is not dynamic, there is no ambiguous requirements, ample resources with requirements, expertise are available to the support of the project. The project is short. थक गया हूँ waterfall model advantage. Oh, the advantage of waterfall model develop are that it allows departmentalization and the control. A schedule can be set with deadlines for each stage of development, and product can be proceed through the development of the process model phases one by one. Development moves from concept through design, implementation, testing, installation, troubleshooting, Sudomai, and ends up the operation to the maintenance to the FEMA Pagamagal procedure in the sticks.
And the Shana Pagan.
Some of the major advantages of the waterfall model is the simple and easy and the Sudohoji. Easy to manage due to the rigidity of the model. Each phase has specific deliveries and the Lely's barking phases are proceeded.